There is a moment before you see the square footage, before you see the finishes, where you just know. This home gave us that moment from day one. We didn't start with a program. We started with a feeling. The type that you can't spec on a sheet. The architecture draws from something quieter. The earlier Spanish revival work coming out of Southern California. Great architects that understand that buildings don't announce themselves. They simply settle into you. Not how impressive can we make it, but how right can we make it feel. Those are very different questions, and almost nobody is asking the second one. There's a temptation in this business, a temptation to keep going. More ceiling height, bigger volumes, another statement moment. Here, we resisted that moment. The roof lines are pulled back purposely to be broken down into human scale. Multiple forms in conversation with each other, rather than one form demanding your attention. That kind of restraint isn't modest. It's actually harder to execute than the alternative. Anyone can build big, but knowing when to stop, knowing when the architecture has said everything that it needs to say, the best architects of the 20th century understood this. They drew from the Mediterranean, from courtyard traditions, from the idea that a home should hold you, not perform to you. We held on to that. This home holds you. The brief was simple, almost disalarmingly so. They didn't want more rooms. They didn't want louder finishes. They wanted the home to feel right. Not look right, feel right. There's a word people use, feng shui, and it gets dismissed a lot. Treat it like a trend, something you say when you can't explain why the space works. But done properly, it's not mystical, it's intentional. It's about where the light enters in the morning, where your eyes rest when you walk through the door, where the air moves. Now the land and the structure become one conversation, instead of two separate things arguing. And that is what we were chasing here. And once you start building that way, you can't go back. This is where most projects lose it. Every decision made in the final phase, the thresholds, the ceiling transitions, where the window sits in a wall, how a door frame meets the floor, all of it is felt before it is seen. You walk in and something is right. You don't know why, you just exhale. That exhale is the work. That's the whole project, actually. Good architecture does not lie. The space either holds the intention behind it or it doesn't. Not every house becomes a place, but this one became a place. You're welcome.